Hi everyone. When is the best time to answer a request for PR? So if someone says, you get contacted by someone and they say, I need links for this article, or we want to interview you, or we need some pictures from you. And this happened a lot when I was doing wedding cakes. There would be magazines that would call and say, I need pictures of cakes that have pink flowers on them. Do you have anything like that? The time to answer that is right now. Drop what you're doing and answer it. Now, I'm not talking about when people contact you and say, can you send me free stuff? And I'm an influencer and I will tell all my followers to buy it. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about like legitimate PR requests where people are just writing an article and they need material to put in it. And you have the potential to have your site or your Etsy shop or your Amazon shop or, wherever you sell, it doesn't matter. But you have a chance to have your business spotlighted in an article somewhere, potentially with a link that goes from that article to your website. And that's very valuable for traffic from search engines. They look at how many sites are linking to yours. Don't pass that up and wait, because I know that when people are writing articles, myself included, I'll post and say, I need this for these articles. If you want to be included, then post your links. And 10 days later, someone is posting a link. I'm like, that article was written 9 days ago. Okay, so I'm not going to go back and add things. And generally when people ask you for that type of material, they are working on that thing right now and they have deadlines. So never wait. Always just drop what you're doing and get the information to them and then get back to your work other than that. And this actually was something that I have a friend who is a wedding PR, like she's very well known around the world for doing public relations for wedding professionals. And she used to call me all the time when I was doing wedding cakes if she had anything, like Martha Stewart Weddings called her, Better Homes and Gardens called her. Do you have anyone who has this information that we need for an article? She would call me because she knew I would drop what I was doing and get that stuff to her in a couple of hours. And I mean, at one point, I have a mention from Better Homes and Gardens online to my website because she called and said, I need a recipe for lemon lavender cake. Do you have one? And I said, I will make you one. So I went and like real quick developed a recipe. It was not hard. And I sent it to her the same afternoon. Better Homes and Gardens was happy. They published it. They linked to my website. And that's a really good backlink for my site. Now, if I had said, well, I can get to it in a few days, that would be too late. So in general, the faster you get a whole, if just stop what you're doing and answer the call. That's basically it. You need to respond to PR requests as fast as you can, or you're going to miss out because you're not the only one they're contacting. And I did have people who I know who stopped and thought about it for a few days. And by the time they got back to the person, they're like, oh, I'm sorry, we don't need that anymore because we contacted 50 people and we took the first 10. So don't be slow. Don't say, oh, can I get it to you in a few days? No, just drop the link, send the information. And what you can also do, and I should do a separate video on this, is to have some kind of a media kit where you have your logos, you have headshots of yourself, you have a little about section about yourself that you can send to people. And you have this available on your website so that if they need to go grab a logo or they need to go grab a picture, there's one place that you can send them. They can easily find it on your website, and then you don't have to worry about that kind of thing. And people can just go and grab that if they want to include you in press, because press is good for your business. PR is good for your business. It's part of your marketing. Don't sit on it. Don't wait. Don't think about it. Just send the links, send the pictures, whatever you got to do, and get that PR mention. Okay, so give this video a thumbs up and leave me any questions if you have them.